Welcome to this guided somatic release meditation and gentle somatic yoga practice for your nervous system. This time is for your body to feel a little safer, softer, and more at home. Find a comfortable position, either lying down on your back with your knees bent or seated with your feet supported. Let your hands rest where they feel most at ease. Maybe on your thighs, your belly, or by your sides. Before we go inward, take a moment to look around the room. Let your eyes slowly move from one point to another. Notice 3 things you can see that feel neutral or pleasant. As you look, quietly remind your body, right now, in this moment, I am safe enough. When you are ready, allow your gaze to soften or gently close your eyes if that feels okay. Begin by noticing your breath without trying to change it. Simply feel the natural rise and fall of your inhale and exhale. Let your breath be exactly as it is. Now, gently lengthen your exhale. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Pause for 1. Exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. We'll do this together for a few rounds, letting each longer exhale send your nervous system a message of safety and release. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue at your own pace, staying with this soft, extended exhale for a few more breaths. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Now shift your attention to the places where your body is supported. Feel the contact points, your feet with the floor, your legs with the mat or chair, your back supported underneath you. Notice the weight of your body being held. If it feels okay, imagine the ground beneath you as steady and dependable. With each exhale, allow just a little more of your weight to drop down into that support, as if you are handing some of your tension over to the earth. Now we'll gently scan through the body. Start at your feet. Without needing to change anything, notice the sensations there: warmth or coolness, tingling, heaviness, or even numbness. Any sensation is welcome here. Move your awareness slowly up through your calves, knees, thighs, pelvis. If you notice any gripping or bracing, just acknowledge it. I feel you. You don't have to force anything to relax. Simply let your awareness rest there for a few breaths. Bring your attention to your belly and lower ribs. Notice how they move as you breathe. If it feels safe, allow your belly to soften just a little more on each exhale, like you are giving yourself permission to let go of holding. Move your awareness up into your chest and heart space. Notice the subtle movement under your breastbone, the expansion as you inhale, the release as you exhale. If emotions arise here, see if you can meet them with gentle curiosity, not needing them to be different. Now feel into your shoulders, neck, and jaw. Many of us carry our stress here. Notice if you are clenching or lifting. With your next exhale, imagine a small wave of warmth flowing down from the top of your head, through your neck, into your shoulders, letting them drop 1 or 2 degrees, closer to ease. Finally, sense your whole body at once, from the crown of your head, down through your spine, all the way to your toes. Imagine your entire body wrapped in a soft, spacious field of permission. Permission to feel, to rest, to release at its own pace. There's nothing you need to fix right now. Your only job is to notice and to allow. Keeping this gentle awareness will add a few very simple somatic movements to invite more release into the nervous system. Move only in ways that feel safe, supported, and kind. If you are lying down, begin with a small pelvic rock. As you inhale, gently tilt your pelvis so your lower back presses a little closer to the floor. As you exhale, release and let your tailbone get a bit heavier, creating a small arch. Move slowly, as if you're listening from the inside. Let this rocking be small and fluid, like a wave moving through your spine. Notice how your back, hips, and belly respond. Now, bring your knees to stand with feet on the floor, hip width apart. On an exhale, let both knees slowly drift to one side, only as far as is comfortable. Inhale to bring them back to center. Exhale, let them drift to the other side. This gentle windshield wiper movement helps your body remember that it can move and soften at the same time. Keep your shoulders heavy and relaxed, allowing the lower body to sway while the upper body rests. Next, if it's accessible, give yourself an easy self-hug. Either lying or seated, cross your arms over your chest and rest your hands on your shoulders or upper arms. Notice the warmth and pressure of your own touch. You might even gently squeeze or tap your arms, reminding your body that you are here with it right now. Take a slow inhale into the back of your heart and a long, soft exhale, as if you're breathing kindness into your own nervous system. Release your arms and let them rest by your sides or on your belly. We'll close the movement with a gentle neck release. Slowly tilt your head to one side, as if your ear wants to listen toward your shoulder. Pause and breathe into any sensation. Then roll your chin to the center of your chest and tilt gently to the other side. Move slowly, staying well within your comfortable range. Let the movement be guided by curiosity, not by how far you can go. Allow your body to become still again. Feel the echo of the movements you just made, any tingling, warmth, or subtle vibration. Notice if anything feels even slightly different from when you started, without judging whether it's better or worse. Take one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly if that feels good. Sense the contact of your palms and your body. Let a few natural breaths move under your hands. Silently or out loud, you might say, "Thank you, body, for everything you hold." You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to release a little at a time. Begin to notice the room again, the sounds around you, the temperature of the air on your skin. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, letting light back in. Take a moment to orient to 3 things you can see, 3 things you can feel, and 3 sounds you can hear. Let your nervous system know this moment is different. I am here and I am safe enough right now. Thank you for practicing this somatic release and nervous system reset. You can return to this practice anytime your body asks for more softness, more presence, and more regulation.